Hey everyone, want to use Slack on your computer? Today we'll show you how to download and install the Slack desktop app. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type slack.com/download/windows and click enter. You'll be taken to the Slack website. Look for the download.exe button and click on it. This will take you to the Slack download page. Slack should automatically detect your operating system, whether it's in Windows or Mac OS. Look for the arrow pointing down icon in the top right corner. Here you can see the download progress. Once it's downloaded, tap on the file. Or once the download is complete, find the Slack setup.exe file in your downloads folder. Double-click to start. A small window might pop up asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click yes or run. The Slack installer will start. It will automatically install Slack on your computer. Once it's finished, Slack will open automatically. And there you have it. Downloading and installing Slack on your desktop is easy. Now you can stay connected with your team right from your computer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech help. Thanks for watching.